My dear students, today I am going to teach social studies. It is for class 5 students, lesson 1.1, and lesson name is My Neighbors and Their Occupation. We know that neighbors means छिमेकी, पडोसी, and their occupation र तिनीहरूले गर्ने कामहरू, तिनीहरूको आफ्नो पेसा है. First of all, see here their stories. It means word meaning residential designed for people to live in. आवश्य हैन, मान्छेलाई बस्नको लागिको आवश्यक क्रिया. Occupation पेसा or job. Migrate स्थानान्तरण, move from one region to another. Organic जैविक, food or farming method without the use of chemical. Yes students, please take your copy, pen and write down this topic, write down this all things in your on your copy. First of all, see here occupation. I would like to explain what is the meaning of occupation. Okay, occupation is the job or the way spend time by doing work to earn money for survive. बाँच्नको लागि दैनिकी जीवनमा गरिने कार्यहरू, जीविकापार्जन गर्नको लागि जुन काम मान्छेले गर्छ हैन, त्यसलाई नै हामी अकुपेसन जब भन्दछौँ. ओके, इन दिस लेसन वी नो वेल हैन, राम्रोसँग हामी के बुझ्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि इन दिस लेसन वी नो वेल दैट द टक अबाउट आवर नाइबर्स अकुपेसन एन्ड देयर इम्पोर्टेन्स. ओके, फाइन्ड आउट द फर्स्ट अफ अल फाइन्ड आउट योर नाइबर्स what they are doing for living, and what is the importance of their occupation. Okay, in this lesson the students of class 5 is Amar Singh Secondary School are very happy as they have successfully completed class 4. Class 4 social studies teacher asked them to speak about their neighbors. Many students raised hand for a chance. Nisha and Prakash spoke about their neighbors and their occupations. Nisha and Prakash, two students raising their hand to speak speech. First of all, Nisha, speech by Nisha. Respected subject teacher and my beloved friends, I live in residential area near main city. Most of the people in my area are engaged in different occupations. I want to talk about Shukra and Dhaniram. Both two persons are there here. Shukra is a businessman. He has a hardware shop. He sells building material like cement, iron, rod, tap and pens. His wife Sarita helps him in her free time. They are very polite and helpful. Dhaniram has recently migrated to our locality. He has come with a new idea in farming. He has recently started an organic farm. He has planted off-season vegetables. He does not use chemical fertilizer. He uses organic one. He has an earthworm farm. He sells organic fertilizer to his neighbors at a cheap price. Some people in my locality follow Dhaniram. He sells fresh vegetable in nearest market. Thank you. Say the this speech is finished by the Nisha. Now speech by turn of Prakash. Okay. Respected teacher and my friend, I am from the remote village of Darchula district. I stay in our school hostel. My neighbors are not much educated. The land in my village is also not much fertilized. Some of my neighbors rear animals and run small cottage industries. They make carpet, sweaters, sari and pakhi from the wool of yak and sheep. They take their products to the city and sell them. Some other neighbors go to India and work there. They return to the village once or twice a year. They earn a good amount of money for their family. thank you very much for listening my. Thank you very much for listening. It is finished by the speech of Prakash. Yes, Prakash village is very remote and their neighbors also uneducated and also there not too much fertilized soil, so people to live doing the carpets, make carpet sweaters and others small cottage industries, and they also going outside from their village, from their country. It means like India and other countries to do work. Okay, it means we know that neighbors do for a living. In this lesson, we know well what they are doing for the living. Okay, yes. Now in this lesson we talk about the occupation of our neighbors and importance of their occupation. Now I would like to explain the benefit of occupation. Yes, the importance of their occupation. Okay, some points are there here. It fulfills basic human needs essentially for survival. It fulfills their dreams and desire. It removes country poverty. It make people life engaged. It last one. It teach how to cooperate with each other. It is the importance of their occupation. Yes, in this lesson, here is some exercises. Fill in the blanks. I think it is so easy for you. Someone who lives near our house is called our neighbors. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Number 1. Number A. Number B. A person who runs hardware shop is a businessman. A farmer work in a field. Nisha live in city area. Dhaniram does not use chemical fertilize in his farm. Yes. Now I am going to give some questions for you, and I will also help you how to do these questions. Okay. Question number A. What are the occupations of our family members? The occupations of my family members are business, right? Business or job. What is right? Write yourself. Okay. Question number B. What do you want to be in future? I want to be a future doctor, engineer, pilot. What do you want? Write yourself. And last C. Question number C. What do you the businessman do? Businessman does a business. Question number B. What is the main occupation our neighbors do? The main occupation what? Job, business. What is the write yourself? Okay. Job, business or business. The main occupation of our neighbor. Why do people have different occupation? People have different occupation because they have a different type of work skill. Okay, thank you so much for listening my class. Bye.